Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix cannot connect the page couldn't be loaded. Try again on App Store. For example, if you open App Store and open specific kind of app, and after that you see this kind of error. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and you have to simply turn it off again, and you have to uh, uh, restart your Wi-Fi router. And after that, you have to simply close this page, and after closing the page, you have to open the settings, and in settings you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after as you reset all of your network setting, you have to check whether your Apple ID is working well or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to setting again. You have to go to general, and after that go to iPhone storage, and you have to check whether you have enough storage, and you have to check whether it supports your device. And after that, what you can do is you can simply take the screenshot of the problem and send it to the Apple support and ask for the solution of the problem. If the problem is still there, then you can also discuss in Apple discussion forum community, and they will tell you how you can tackle this error. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.